Yes, everyone, good morning. Today we are discussing about the FSSC 22000 version 6. We are discussing how to the structure of the FSSI 22000 version 7 upgraded recently. They have minimum things, that is ISO 22000 2008. That is very important. It's having the FSMS, food safety management system requirements to follow the every organization and every person in the quality and production, and ISO TS technical specifications and 2022 2/1 2009. This is PRP prerequisite program standards to follow, and then additional requirements like example for maintenance and then regulatory strategies like FSSI, PCB, Pollution Control Board, and we have the classes in ISO 22000 scope and everything, leadership, planning, supporting, everything is very important. Every improvement based on this structure, we are organization, we can develop everything. Then additional requirements, they have the food safety culture and food fraud prevention and food defense and production quality control and environmental monitoring, allergens management, traceability. These are all very important in additional requirements. We can what does the FSSC 22000 cover? Yes, friend. Yeah. Uh, the food manufacturing and packaging, storage and distribution, and canteen and transportation and uh, food food chain categories. These all are very important. Any food industry, we starting to ending point, every QC and QA persons look out everything. They have any risk, please identify and we rectify. This is the very important. We can identify, then we can share to our seniors, and then they have rectify easily to give the suggestions, organization development and implementation in food safety. Thank you so much. Me PV Reddy. Jai Hind.